Hello everyone. Welcome to Cambridge Primary Science Stage 5, a chapter investigating the plant growth. So this is the back exercise of chapter 1. So let's start, check the progress. So what do you mean by seed? It is a part of plant that grow into a new plant. It is embryo, the part of the seed that grows into a new plant. Seed coat is outer cover that protects the seed. Germinate, when a seed starts to grow, we say it's germinated. Environment, when everything around us, that is environment. So let's discuss the sentences. We have to complete it. When a seed starts to germinate, it absorbs blank and blank, that is water and swells. The seed gets energy from its food store. The root is the first part of the new plant that starts to grow, and the root always grows down, and the shoot grows next and it grows upward. The seed need water, warmth and air to germinate, and light is a factor that plants need so that they can grow. So this is a picture of a germinating seed. This is the root which grows downward, shoot, the seed coat and the scar. So let's discuss. The Debye's class germinated seeds under different conditions and the results are like here. Conditions are warm and light. The number of seeds germinated 10, warm and dark 15, cold light 5 and cold dark 7. So which conditions are best for germination? We can say that warm and dark conditions are best because number of seeds are germinated is 15. Do seeds need light for germination? No, because the most germinated seeds in the dark than in the light. Because in the dark the seeds germinated 15 and in the light you can see the seeds germinated is 10. So we can say that we not need light because most germinated in the dark. Did the seeds get water or not? How do you know this? Yes, no seeds would germinate without water. So each plant in a picture, there is something missing. So you have to identify the factor which is needed for its growth, for the plant growth. Like identify the missing factor of each plant, name one factor that the plant need for growth and explain why factor is missing in plant A is important for the plant growth. So the missing factor in figure A is light. And the missing factor in figure B is water. Name one factor that the plants need for growth, that is air. Explain why the factor is missing in plant A is important for the plant growth. Because plant use the light to make the food that gives the energy to grow. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye.